Hello.
All set for this?
Yes, all set.
But where is Arun?
I just spoke to him. He's on his way. He's telling me he's just
Not
there.
on his way, I'm here.
Hello.
How's it going? Are we set?
It's good.
Are we set?
Yes. But why did you not let me get my car?
I wanted to give you a little comfort, a little rest. So we've got Uber Intercity.
Uber Intercity it is. Chalo. Cool.
Sorted. Wait. But I have a surprise. Rather a big surprise.
What's it? And that
We're
is?
going in a motorhome.
Motorhome?
Yay! Okay, Mugdha. क्या आपने क्योंकि you do a lot of cars and you test a lot of cars. क्या आपने किसी fancy गाड़ी को अपना बताया किसी gathering में क्यों? Yeah, this is mine. But it came for testing to you, but you said, oh, it's mine. I own it. Have you
Very
ever
nice
done
question.
that?
I have not said that, but people have assumed that, especially the guards of my colony. When I shifted in a new
So
colony,
मैडम हर हफ्ते नई गाड़ी लेकर
they were
आती है.
like,
इनका तो कोई
what's
तो बड़ा
going on?
business है.
They started, saluting me with extra stiffness.
यहाँ चल दो गाड़ी, चले हजारे, बम बम बम.
So guys, बैठे बैठे क्या करेंगे? करना है कुछ काम. फिलहाल मुझे यहाँ पर एक होटल दिख रहा है. लंच करें क्या?
हाँ, भूख तो लग रही है.
Yes. यार तुम लोग कैसे हो? चाय नहीं पीता तुम में से कोई?
अरुण, रेस्टोरेंट क्लीन होना चाहिए लेकिन.
Yes, because we have been spoiled by the motorhome.
All of a sudden मेरे मन में ना the only thought that comes to my mind is why Mandawa?
Well, देखने की जगह ठीक है, लेकिन बड़ा रीजन ये था कि it is on Delhi Jaipur highway,
ठीक है.
so it doesn't take that long, so we could do this weekend trip. Otherwise छुट्टी अलग से इसके लिए नहीं मिलने वाली थी.
Also amazing Havelis. It has a history. It was on the Silk Route. पास में एक रेलवे स्टेशन है जिसका नाम है झुंझुनू रेलवे स्टेशन. That also amazed me a lot.
It's a nice day.
और उसके अलावा खाने का भी बहुत कुछ है. वहाँ पे
Please tell me,
बहुत
क्या-क्या?
सारे ढाबे और रेस्टोरेंट हैं.
Our resident foodie.
मंडावा का पेड़ा फेमस है और इसके अलावा हम जाएंगे ढाबे पे और बाजरे की रोटी और केर सांगरी की सब्जी हम खाने वाले
Love
हैं.
it. लेकिन उससे पहले burgers.
Yes, let's grab the burgers first.
But what is so famous about Mandawa यार? क्या हवेलियाँ कुछ बताइए यार अरुण.
क्या हवेलियाँ है and there's also a lot of Bollywood shoots happened
That has
there.
happened in Mandawa?
Yeah. PK has been shot there. Aadil Mushkil.
What?
I read it on the internet just now. I think Channa Mere Ka actually sequence. I was like,
What do you say?
क्या ही shoot हुआ होगा because most of it is in London.
Right.
But yeah, so Aadil Mushkil, PK Bajrangi Bhaijaan.
Let me give you a little bit more detail about Mandawa.
Right.
So
Okay.
why is Mandawa important? Why is it significant? And why there are so many Havelis? And most of these Havelis are abandoned now. I'll tell you the entire story.
Oh.
So Mandawa was on the Silk Route.
Yeah.
So lots of Indian traders used to settle down there. They were traditionally very rich. But once Silk Route stopped, Silk Route used to connect Middle East to China. So all the trade from Middle East, India, China used to happen to this route. So you can imagine how significant it was. Okay. Now once the Silk Route stopped, these traders were traditionally rich.
Right.
So they all migrated to the new places which were coming up as trading spot because the sea route became more popular. So you will find them in Bombay, you'll find them in Calcutta, you'll find them in Gujarat now. And most of these Havelis, they are beautiful. They have this region is called Shekhawati region. They have this intricate paintings on their walls, and this is the trademark of Shekhawati region.
But what I'm interested to know about is are these Havelis haunted?
Exactly.
Yes,
What
yes,
is
yes.
exactly what I want to
क्या
know.
भूत रहते हैं वहाँ पे?
मुझे इस बारे में कोई खास इन्फॉर्मेशन है नहीं।
नहीं, पर मुझे लगता है आप रहते होंगे।
श्योर आज रात तक हम ढूंढ लेंगे। We will
Can
do
we
our
go-
investigative
Can we go to
journalism.
a haunted
We want to,
Haveli?
we should.
And we should
by
risk
the
our
way-
lives like that. I'm so glad we planned this during the monsoon.
It's such a nice weather to step out,
And
right?
everything is green.
Yeah.
But what is feedback on my choice? What do you think?
Oh, it's
Do
amazing.
you guys approve?
See, you know my love for driving,
Yeah.
but I think this is very comfortable. So
Isn't it?
I will give you those points.
Well,
I
no, I've also
I think Uber Intercity is really convenient because first of all, finding a cab when you're traveling between two cities
That's
can
also
be an
one-
idea.
Yeah, see, this
Because-
motorhome thing is a limited time thing.
Yeah.
It's a limited period thing. But Uber Intercity takes the cake for me.
Yeah, I think the convenience of it is really significant.
Yeah, but thanks,
Something that-
Arun. Thanks. So we
Thanks.
need to, we need
Yes.
to, we
Yes,
I think
you
you
owe
need
him.
to cheat me.
We owe
Yes,
him.
yes,
Yes.
And
yes.
one best.
It goes on me.
Okay.
Look at how beautifully they have put the table out.
And
Wow,
and
such a
look at
nice
the bougainvillea.
arrangement. I love the flowers.
Finally, after a long trip, ma'am, please. Aye.
Thank you.
So what are you doing?
ये दीजिए मैम सब ये सांगरी की टिक्की है
Yes, this is what I was saying.
सांगरी की टिक्की सर थोड़ा बता भी दीजिए सांगरी के बारे में
सांगरी यहाँ ये लोकल सब्जी है
जी।
खेजड़ी पे लगती है बिन्स होती है लंबी लंबी और जितनी गर्मी पड़ती है उसी टाइम ये लगती है बिन्स और हम उस टाइम कलेक्ट कर लेते हैं इसको
What a dinner, man.
What a dinner! What a dinner!
सर कोई हाजमे की गोली हो तो वो दे दीजिए लेट्स गो कम
But tell me, what are we doing
कल
tomorrow?
क्या
I have a couple of options.
Please बताइए.
Okay.
We can see some fresco in some Haveli.
Of course, we will do that.
Okay, then there is camel cart ride.
Very nice.
I think that would be a good idea.
Yeah.
But you know what? I want to watch the intricate carvings and the ornate designs of Havelis. Yeah, these was made by 18th, 19th century.
Sure, well,
Okay.
shopping. Nobody is in for
मुग्धा
shopping.
हमारी shopping.
Yes.
Okay, shopping.
Definitely.
Shopping,
Shopping भी
Havelis.
करेंगे.
One more thing before any of this.
Yes.
It's time to say good night.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
good
Good
night.
night.
Good night.
Do not disturb. Hello.
नमस्ते.
Hello, everybody.
अरुण कैसे हैं?
नमस्ते नहीं, खम्बागणी. खम्बागणी. क्या नाम हुआ आपका?
Shekhar.
शेखर जी. आदित्य.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
Please, we are going to explore Mandava to see the Haveli.
Oh wow! So we're going to explore Mandava to explore the Havelis.
Yes. You're correct. You heard it right. We have with us tour guide Shekhar ji here. He's very knowledgeable, very popular in the localities, what we've heard. Please take us through what we are about to see.
We are coming to see about the Havelis, which is a part of the Mandava, and very famous. This area is very famous for the Havelis here. Those Havelis, they are belongs to from the merchant families in the 18th to 19th century for the family reasons. That times all the family members are working in the big cities and the family living behind. Slowly they are spread their business and become a big businessmen. And they left and took their families to in big cities. Now these are the Havelis, is a part of the museum, which has been restored after the COVID times. That you can see beautiful Havelis has been restored by the local artists. But earliest that you can see in the right behind to me, these are the original frescoes here, which was done in the 19th century. As well also by the local artists.
But Shekharji, there's one more thing I wanted to ask you, that I heard somewhere that all these intricate carvings that you have, they talk about the daily life of people. Is it like that?
Absolutely, that's like absolutely true. That you can see, they also behind the painting that they have some stories here. Like for example, on the top that you can see royal wedding procession. Through to that painting, those merchants try to show to the persons that's the life of the royal family, how they had been organized the weddings. So you can see they are taking the processions, and when they are reaching in the right place, and the women who are welcoming them at the door.
I love the length of the door as well, the entry gate. It's massive.
It is. That's called the main gate of the Haveli. That's called the main door of the Haveli. And in that door, in the main door of the Haveli, Chokhani. Chokhani is the name of the family who built this Haveli. This is a family courtyard.
Like the Angan.
Angan, that's called the Angan. And every Haveli has been divided in the 3 courtyards, like where we was at the first court, which is for the everyone's, and also the batak. When we enter, you always find in the right side of the Haveli, that's a batak for the merchants.
Shekharji, ye rings bataiye. What are these rings for?
These are the rings is basically for the multi-purposely. And they are like basically you could say that the future planning by the merchants when they build the Haveli.
Just hold your thought. Can you guys make a guess what this is for? It'll be interesting to see the actual answer.
No, I
Close
can't.
line.
No, I don't think it's
Maybe
for doors?
curtains.
For curtains.
Curtains is what I can think of, but
Curtains.
Basically, if because they want to hang some things, like for example that I have a lake of the electricity, so where they can hang those lamps or candles or anything. Or if they want to hang like for example for the curtains, so where they can be noted that. So they don't want to destroy the plaster. For that reason, they just place those 3 rings in by the steps. One in the bottom that you can see here, second here, and the third is in the top. Why it is basically it's called them Haveli. Haveli, what's mean of the Haveli? Haveli basically where all the 5 elements meet in one place. That's called the Haveli.
Please don't mind me asking this, because there are a lot of stories that keep going. By any chance, do you think these Havelis are haunted?
These are not, absolutely not.
No, we hear so many stories like the Haveli haunted, these are ghosts, and everything. No, it's not like that.
This is not like that. So here we came to see the bedroom. Bedrooms always you can find simples like a plains. You don't find any paintings here.
these big rings must be for the fan, right?
It is. I'm gonna tell you about this story. There's a set also. Those are also kind of the VIPs. So that you can see the wheel here. It's like pulley. The man was standing downstairs, and that's for the rope, and the man was moving the fan from the downstairs for the merchants.
Oh, so the man.
is maintained.
Yeah.
Oh, so the man was there, and he was,
Yes.
pulling the.
Their help would not have access to the room.
Yeah, and even in the time they need to be shut the window. Still they need the air, so the rope is go outside through to the hall, and he came, and still he can move that.
Oh my God. You can still, see these marks here.
ये क्या काम कहते हैं इसको?
मैम एक्चुअली ये हम गाँवों में से पुरानी जो ड्रेसें होती है राजस्थान में जो पोशाक ड्रेस बोलते हैं, जो शादियों में पहनाई जाती है, हमारे लैंग्वेज में बरी बोलते हैं उसको।
बरी?
बरी जो कि अभी लांचा चल रहा है, लांचा शादियों में पहनते हैं। पुराने टाइम में जो शादियों में बरी वगैरह पोशाक बोलते हैं, घाघरा लुगड़ी। तो टिपिकल वर्क जो होता है उस पर गोटे का कसीदे का काम होता है, वो हम गाँव से कलेक्ट करते हैं, एक्सचेंज करते हैं, पुराना ले लेते हैं और नया दे देते हैं। उसके अंगेज में जैसे कोई बर्तन वगैरह, प्लेट, साड़ी दे देते हैं।
अच्छा, जैसे बार्टर सिस्टम चलता है।
जैसे कि हम ये पैचवर्क, फिर हम गांव में हम क्या कि जो महिलाएं जो बेरोज़गार होती है, गांव में पढ़ी लिखी नहीं होती है, जो कि हाउस वाइफ होती है, जिनको इनकम सोर्स का तो अर्न के लिए पैसा इनकम चाहिए, तो घर में पार्ट टाइमली जैसे फ्री होती है, तो हम क्या करते हैं, डिज़ाइन ड्रॉ करके और मटेरियल वगैरह उनको सब दे देते हैं। फिर वो छोटे छोटे पीसेस जोड़ के उनको ऊपर चिपकाया जाता है। चिपका के फिर उसको जो कागज़ जो होता है, जो डिज़ाइन पे हम बना के देते हैं, उस कागज़ को बाहर निकाल के फिर इसके नीचे पतला कपड़ा होता है थिन, वो लगाया जाता है। फिर उसके ऊपर डोरी, जैसे कि आप देख रहे हैं, ये स्टिच की हुई है, ये सब स्टिच की है, टोटल पूरा हाथ का काम है। फिर कुछ डाई जैसे कुछ पीसेस में जो डैमेज होते हैं उनको तो हम निकाला जाता है, अच्छे पीसेस होते हैं और उसमें भी कोई दाग दबा होता है तो उसको हम फिर डाई किया जाता है। ये हमारे पहले के टाइम पे हमारी ये थर्ड फैमिली है इस बिज़नेस में, और पहले हम गुदड़ियाँ बनाए थे, तो गुदड़ियाँ बनती थी। ब्लॉक प्रिंटर्स आज भी जैसे जयपुर में सांगानेर प्रिंट वगैरह है, लेकिन हमने ये माइंड जोड़ा है क्योंकि हम जो गुदड़ियों को थोड़ा चेंज करके ये पीसेस जोड़ के उस हिसाब से इसको बनाते हैं। इसके अंदर काफ़ी बड़े बड़े एक्सक्लूसिव बैक कवर भी बनते हैं।
अब मेरी ड्रेस के बारे में बताइए।
अब ये बीड वर्क जो है वो,
हाँ, ये एक्चुअली इसको जैसे इसमें दाने टाइप के पीसेस लगे
हाँ,
हैं।
ये वाले।
हाँ, ये पीसेस जो किसी ब्लाउज पे या किसी स्कर्ट पे निकाल के फिर इसको स्टिच किया गया है हाथ से। और ये जो बंजारा ड्रेस बोलते हैं, जो जैसलमेर में कालबेलिया वगैरह डांस करते हैं, वो स्कर्ट्स वहाँ से इन गाँव से हम कलेक्ट किया हुआ है। ये जैसे ओरिजिनल पीस था वैसा का वैसा, लेकिन इसमें कुछ पीसेस जैसे अलग से, जैसे ये आप देख रहे हैं,
ये वाला
नहीं ये वाला,
ये
रेड वाला,
एम्ब्रॉयडरी का है, ये नया वर्क है, इसमें एक्स्ट्रा।
I have an excellent plan. What? We are going on a camel cart ride.
Let's go! Whoa! Camel.
वाओ, इनका क्या नाम है सर?
इनका नाम क्या है? हाँ, मेरे को नाम
मोरिया।
मोरिया।
मोरिया जी।
मोरिया इज आवर राइड।
इनको छू सकते हैं? हाय मोरिया, कैसे मोरिया?
चलिए।
चलो चलो बैठते हैं।
ये
आओ
ये
मेरी
पहली,
सखी।
this is the very first time I'm doing this.
Really?
Yeah.
I have done camel rides, but not a camel cart.
Even I have not done camel cart like
time,
ever.
first time.
I have not done camel ride as well.
Yeah,
Really?
and I
Yeah.
also not done camel.
यार मजा आने
Lovely.
वाला है, बहुत मजा
I have not done any animal
Wow.
ride except for horse riding.
I mean, अगर राजस्थान आए और camel ride नहीं की तो फिर क्या किया?
So you guys have one person to thank.
Yeah, thanks.
Yes,
yeah.
thank you.
Thank you
Thank
so
you,
much.
thank you so much.
I have a fun question. इसका जो hump होता है, what do you think it stores in it?
Water.
Yeah, that's
Water.
a popular belief, but it's not
It's fat.
water. Yes,
It's fat.
It's
It's fat.
fat. Against the
It's
popular
yes.
belief, it's fat and it cuts it down every time it wants to
needs.
energize itself.
Yeah. But do you know camels can be really aggressive?
Yeah.
They bite and they are very temperamental and they
also
chase you
kick,
also.
very badly. So.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, they are desert animals, and I think if you also stay here in the sun, you'll also get aggressive. So I think it goes
It's
with
too
the
hot.
weather. Yeah.
चलो।
Bye bye. Thank you. Bye bye. Bye bye. Lovely, lovely time at the desert resort. Lovely time.
Guys, I'm not happy यार।
क्या हुआ?
क्योंकि हमारी ट्रिप खत्म हो रही है।
Oh yeah.
पर है हमारी कंपनी इतनी अच्छी है, ऐसा ही लगता है सबको. No jokes apart. it was quite a nice trip.
Very nice.
And you know the best part, it was super relaxing, very comfortable.
And it was very easy to book as well.
And it was easy on the pocket too.
Yeah.
Right. But you know, I so don't want to go to the office tomorrow, yeah.
Sadly, we have to go. But we can do another trip. We can
Yeah,
probably
we should
plan
plan. We should plan one
next
more
weekend.
trip.
Yes.
Yes, let's
Plan.
do that.
Plan. Yay!